Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating GitHub project, Lua-libuv, a lab for integrating Lua with Libuv for asynchronous scripting and POC experimentation. It's really cool.
Sounds interesting. So what's the core idea behind Lua-libuv? Is it just about running Lua scripts asynchronously?
Exactly. It's all about leveraging Libuv's event loop for non-blocking I/O operations within Lua. This allows for building highly efficient, asynchronous applications using Lua, which is usually known for its simplicity, not its asynchronous capabilities. It's a bit of a marriage of convenience.
I see. So how does the project structure facilitate this integration?
Well, it's neatly organized. There's an external directory housing Libuv and Lua as submodules, ensuring version control and easy dependency management. The src directory contains custom C modules, which are compiled and placed in the modules directory. The make file handles the build process, making it super straightforward.
That's a clean approach. What about the prerequisites? Is it a complex setup?
Not overly complex, but it depends on your OS. Windows users need Visual Studio 2019, while Unix-like systems require GCC, Make, AutoTools, and libredline. The readme provides clear instructions for each. Pretty standard stuff for C development.
Right, and once it's set up, how do you actually run Lua scripts?
Simple. They provide lua.bat and lua.sh scripts for Windows and Unix-like systems respectively. These scripts execute Lua files, utilizing the compiled modules. The project includes examples like helloworld.lua and a more advanced server.lua, which demonstrates a simple HTTP server built using a custom C module.
An HTTP server? That's impressive. What's the role of the async.lua module?
That's a clever bit. Async.lua provides a basic await function, simulating asynchronous behavior within Lua itself. It uses coroutines to pause execution until a promise is resolved. It's not a full-fledged async framework, but it showcases how you can manage asynchronous operations within the Lua environment.
So it's a proof of concept for integrating asynchronous patterns into Lua, even without full-blown async/await support built into the language itself. Clever. But wouldn't a more robust async framework be beneficial?
You're absolutely right. That would be a significant improvement. This project is more of a foundation, a starting point, for more complex asynchronous Lua applications into Tech. It demonstrates the feasibility and provides a solid base for building upon. I agree, a more robust framework would be a great addition.
Definitely. The makefile seems crucial. What are its key components?
The makefile is the heart of the build process. It handles updating submodules, building Libuv and Lua, compiling the C modules, and cleaning up afterward. It's a well-structured makefile, making the build process quite streamlined.
And what about the init.lua module?
Init.lua is responsible for loading all the Lua modules, including the compiled C modules. It acts as a central point for managing the project's modules.
This project seems like a great resource for anyone wanting to explore asynchronous programming in Lua. It's a well-documented and well-structured project. Thanks for the overview.
My pleasure. It's a fantastic example of how to bridge the gap between Lua's scripting power and Libuv's asynchronous capabilities. And remember, listeners, you can find the project on GitHub under jonetto/lua-libuv. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.